I am back, and I am back with my Ipsy Glambag unpacking. And I should have did this before, but I always make sure that I do it with you guys. So hope you guys are doing good. This bag looks so empty. Okay, let's see what the theme is. And the theme for the month of January is Dream It. Okay, and then in the back it says introducing the refreshments. And let me see, beauty resolutions for your sign. My sign is Pisces, so it says embrace your uniqueness and let those quirks be cute. Get your full horoscope from Spellister. You get to know your Glambag Plus pick value at 120. Okay, so it has, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put all the horoscopes in the description down below, so everybody can know their horoscope and what the little things that they put there. Okay, so you guys can read it up on it a little bit, and then I'll put the Spellister, whatever the crap they said there. Okay, so the first thing, and then it's they're introducing, you're invited to experience the Glambag X, which is a bigger glam bag. It is a full-size products. You choose 3 worth up to $428. Curated faves from celebrity makeup artist Patrick Ta. Exclusive access to the hottest brands like Pat McGrath Labs, Huda Beauty, IGK, R&Co, and more. Ipsy.com. Glambag X. Glambag X will replace your Glambag Plus next month. So you're invited to experience. And this one is a bi-monthly. Okay, next month, let Hollywood hottest artists deliver 8 of your favorite products and most coveted brands worth up to $428 straight to you. Oh, he's so freaking handsome. Look at him right there. I'm sorry, but he is very handsome. And then that's Pat McGrath, Patrick Ta, and Glambag. I think that's Pat McGrath. Limited quantities, so that's Huda Beauty. I don't know, but I know he's very handsome. Okay, so it's that's like a sneak peek of everything that you could get in your glam bag. But yeah, I'm gonna see the previews of everybody, that whoever gets the Glambag X, and I'll see how it works and what are the products are they gonna get, and if I like what they get, I will probably get just one to see. Okay, but I'm not gonna just go and jump and get it and get cheapy chappy okay, so this was their choice. The $1 Billion Brows, the best brow toolkit ever, and this was their choice. Okay, so I am not gonna open it because I gotta pack up everything anyway, so why even open it? I'm gonna make a mess, right? And then what else they chose for me? I'm sorry guys, I need to be go to my Ipsy website. I should have had this. Oh, they got the flash sale. No, thank you. Okay, the Glambag. Nope, that's not it. Okay. Yes, they picked that. And they also picked... So they picked the CèLA Cream Violette Soothing Hand and Body Butter with Lavender and Oatmeal. Okay, so they picked this for me. This was their choice. Oh, it's sealed. Can't smell it. So, definitely got to put that away. And then my choice was the PURLISSE Beauty Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. Yep, this was my choice. So I picked this. Okay, because I love PURLISSE. That's one of my favorite products for the face. So then Glow Recipe, and this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. This I will open it because I don't have any lipsticks out. No. Oh, cool. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It smells so beautiful. Look at this. This is very, very nice. Okay, so this was my choice. This is just the Lip Pop Watermelon Glow. Okay, so that was my choice. I'm just gonna leave it out because I will be feels so nice. Then another PURLISSE, and this is the Candy Johnson times PURLISSE Buttermint Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. Soothes, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes all skin types. Okay, and this is the PURLISSE, and this was my choice. Yes. Oh, sorry. There we go. Why is the light? Oh, because of the back. Sorry. Okay, so that is my Glambag Plus. And I didn't order anything extra this time. I don't think so. Yeah, no. They're doing the flash sale. But I don't think I want anything from the flash sale. Okay, so that was, oh, and then this is the little bag which everything came in. So I will definitely be putting everything right back in there. And I have, what else? This will go here. Okay guys, so that is it for my Glambag Plus. So let's open something else because, let me see. Let's do this one. Let's open the box of Fashionsta. Okay, so we'll do two packages here. The first thing I see is this is the box. Okay, there's the box. Whoa! Oops. Oh my God. Okay, the theme is resolution. And the first thing that fell out of my thing was the AYAM body care. And this is from, it says remove. It says Dead Sea Mineral Caviar to help minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, removes makeup without irritation, cruelty free. Okay, so Dead Sea Mineral and Caviar. We'll see. I like using those in the nighttime to refresh my face. Goodness, they have this, they packed this up real bad. And then this fell out, which is the Mineral Fusion. Mineral Fusion nail polish. This is $9. And then I got my color in, don't know, it's like a gray. Gravel Road. And Gravel Road. Okay, so this is the color I got. Probably use that for my toes. Definitely. Okay, so got that. I got like all these little things all over the place. Oh, and that retails for $12. Nope, the wipes retails for $12. The nail polish retails for $9. Then we have a La Bloom Beauty, and this is Lash and Brow Serum, and this is all natural, eye friendly, formulated to restore, straighten and condition lashes, brows while growing new hairs, vegan and cruelty free, and this is a $25 retail value. Okay, sorry, let me hold it like this so you can see it. Okay, so this is $25 retail value. Well, 25. It's a lot. Okay, and then we have, it says, oh wow, double liner, the pencil and the liquid. Love these pencils. From CAILYN. CAILYN Makeup, oh wow. CAILYN Makeup Wow Duo Liner is $19. Okay, it's $19. 2-in-1 dual, and the pencil and liquid hypoallergenic waterproof eyeliner that delivers a wide range of eyeliner looks from soft to dramatic. Okay, so that is wonderful. Then we have the EVIO, I hope I'm not killing it, Beauty. It says hydrating lip gloss. EVIO LIP-SPO gloss, $14 retail value. It says packed with moisturizing ingredients, keeping lips soft without the stickiness. Can be used as a blush or highlight. Vegan and cruelty free. It's $14. Oh, that is so cute. But I'm definitely not going to use it as a blush or highlighter. So this is the one right here, and then this is the lipstick right here. So the one is bigger than the lipstick. Okay, so I'm putting it back, and the color is Lisse. I'm just putting it right back because I am going to pack it up and put it back and put it in a box. And last but not least, let me see. Oh, Ultra Night Serum. Nope, I put that in there. Okay. Not last but not least, because there's two more things in here. All these little thingies. Then we have the Ultra Night Serum. This is from Dirty Lamb. Where's the Dirty Lamb? Right here. This is a $52 retail value. This is oil. Yeah. Okay. So a high antioxidant blend of natural oils, bringing liveliness and hydration to your skin while you sleep. Also, this, you could use it at night. Ultra Night Serum, $52 retail value. Oof. So I'll definitely be trying this out at night. Okay, let's see. Has like an orange smell. Can't read the ingredients because I can't see that little, even with glasses. Okay, and last but not least, okay, I did the Mineral Fusion Nail Polish, the CAILYN Dual Eyeliner, the EVIO Lip Gloss, the LIP-SPO Lash and Brow Serum. Okay, and now what I was waiting for is the PIXI by Petra, which everybody's talking about. I'm not swatching anything, guys, because look how beautiful. PIXI by Petra. And you don't see no names here because they are in the back. Okay. This one right here is Moon Gleam, Peach Luster, Melted Mineral. This one right here is Gold Medal, Rose Medallion, Warm Brass. This one right here is Fiery Copper. This one right here is Foiled Magenta, Metallic Mink, Deep Bronzer, Antique Penny, and Burnshed Brown. Okay, and those are all the colors right there. And I hardly don't see any mattes. Oh, we'll see how this works. They're beautiful. Okay, so don't ask me why I smelled it. Because some palettes, they smell like chocolate. They got a like smells. Okay, guys, so that is all for my for my box unboxing, and Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that little bell, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.